My name is David Walker. I am the Director of Systemwide Digital Library Services at the California State University. The California State University is the single largest system of senior higher education in the United States. We have 500,000 students, faculty, and staff. Currently, each CSU library has historically purchased its own ILS system, its own ERM system. We've also purchased some things centrally, but what we've never had is a comprehensive strategy for how we want to manage our resources. What that has led to over the years is just inefficiencies, having multiple different systems from multiple different vendors that don't really work well with each other, don't integrate well with each other. One of the big things we wanted to do with this jump to the next generation of library systems was to get one platform for every campus, an integrated environment, a consortium environment where we could manage resources not only in a more efficient way at the local level, but efficiently across all 23 campuses. We knew we needed a system that was strong, particularly in consortium functionality, and was particularly strong in e-resource management functionality. That's really the direction I think all libraries are going in. But for us, we're probably a little bit further ahead than other types of institutions. We've purchased about $20 million in content centrally, and yet historically we've let each campus manage that content themselves. So now we want to have the whole life cycle from acquisition through making it available to end users done centrally for those central packages so that the campuses don't have to recreate that work. Alma was the strongest system we thought in consortium functionality, very strong in e-resource management functionality. We think it's I think far and away the best system to meet our needs. So there's several things that we wanted to achieve in a next generation platform. One of them was collaborative collection development, collaborative cataloging, just being able to leverage one system for all 23 campuses to make informed decisions about what we're purchasing, what we're deselecting, what we're sending off to storage or archiving. And with Alma, it has not only the ability to manage the resources that way, so each institution can see what the others are managing, but then it has, I think, really strong analytics capabilities that let us see the usage of the collections over time, see where there's overlap both among the packages we have and what campuses are buying separately. And that would inform, I think, a lot of kind of collaborative collection development decisions that would allow us to purchase collections smarter than we do today. A key factor for us in choosing Alma was not just the software itself, but the community that is using Alma today. There are several really large consortia worldwide, but particularly in North America, that are using Alma. Orbis Cascade was an important part of our factor in selecting Alma as a platform, because we knew that by the time we came up to speed on Alma, many of this consortium functionality that we really wanted would be not only in the system, but well tested by these consortia that have come ahead of us. I think a really important thing for us was, in fact, that Alma has these APIs that let us extend its functionality. And as much as we would love to explore and build some of these things ourselves, the fact that other community users of Alma are building these things already lets us more or less go out and select or borrow some of the best. If someone else has already built it, that's even better for us. One of the things that we really wanted to get out of this project was not just efficiencies within Alma or within Primo, but also efficiencies as we move our data either to or from campus systems. Right now, in fact, we're working on integrating Alma with PeopleSoft for our patron data, for financial data, going back the other way. These are capabilities that we haven't always had with previous systems. So for us, it's Alma and Primo can be extended into the entire campus ecosystem in a way that I don't think we could have ever done with our previous systems.